This is a message from your future self. Hey, welcome back to AttractPassion. Today I have a message for you from your future self. Something is about to change and you will need to create a change right at this moment. So let's go on and firstly begin in where we are now. So this is now. And what I want to introduce you here is where you are going. So if you are right now in here at this moment, wherever you are, it actually doesn't matter, and this is your future, so here are some things we need to become more aware, and your future self is sending you the signals all the time. But the question is, are you aware of the signs? Are you aware of the messages that you are receiving deeply, truly deeply within your heart? Because most of the times when we are thinking about our future, we are thinking about the worst case scenario, because we want to be protected, we want to be ready if something bad happens to us. We want to be ready for those challenges, right? So we are thinking about worst case scenarios. We are thinking about the worst case scenarios. But what is happening, if you know, our thoughts are always creating an effect in our reality. Our thoughts are awakening emotions. Emotions are awakening new thoughts. So when this cycle is creating our state of being, it means that if we are constantly thinking about the worst case scenario, it is affecting on our state of being. So we are feeling like something bad will happen to us, and we are all familiar with it. We are all familiar, yes, something bad will happen to us. If I will think about money, what if I lose the money? I need to be prepared in that situation. And what if I will meet some bad people today? What if something bad will happen at my job, right? We are all familiar with it. So we are constantly focusing on the worst case scenario, but what your future self is sending to you right now, if you want to get to your wanting future, firstly you need to find out what is your wanting future. Because your future self is in all different possibilities. Whatever you can imagine right now, your future self is already there. And when your future self is already there, he or she, we can say it, is sending you the signals, what you need to do to get there, what you need to change right now to get there. So when it comes to, we can make here different blocks, like firstly, let's say money, then health, then we have relationships, and we could go on with different things that we want to change. So where we are seeing ourselves in our future, and our future self is sending us the signals, what we need to change about money, what we need to change about health, what we need to change about relationships, what we need to change truly about ourselves, so those things will change in our future. We will manifest different things for ourselves in our future. So our future self is sending us different messages. Let's say when you are thinking about money, and if you're thinking about the worst case scenario, guess what you are creating, guess what you are attracting. So your future self is sending you the signal, think about what you want and write your goals down, what you truly want. So what is your wanting desire, what you want What is your clear vision about your money, your health, your relationships? Your future self is sending you the signals, the informations. Be really precise of what you want. Clear intention. Clear intention. So there's something you need to change. And from thinking about the worst case scenario, be more precise about your clear intention and focus on that. Focus on your clear intention. And then think about how it would be. Your future self wants you to do that. Think about how it would feel like. Okay, I have a clear intention. I know what I want. And now I will be rehearsing that clear intention. I will be rehearsing that picture in my mind. I know where I want to be. I will not be thinking about negative moments, the worst case scenarios, everything that can go wrong. But I will focus on my clear intention. I will focus on that. Your future self wants to give you this information. Focus on your clear intention, not on the worst case scenario, but on your clear intention. So what will happen when you will be focusing rather on clear intention than on worst case scenario? You will start thinking new thoughts and you will start feeling differently. Your whole state of being will change slowly, and that's what is leading you to your future, to your wanting future. So once again, if you're right now, you're here. And when you're thinking, like for example, I'm truly healthy right now. I have a healthy body. I feel really great at this moment. Your future self is already here. So your future self is already here. You're not here physically, but your future self is already there. But what you need to do to get there also physically, you need to constantly rehearsal your clear intention. And rehearsal your clear intention means that you are constantly thinking about it. You're feeling it with your whole body. You're living that clear intention. And when times got like a little bit, like when you start struggling a little bit, maybe something bad happens in your reality, your future self wants to remind you, start meditating. Start meditating, because with meditation you will get from worst case scenario thoughts back to the present moment. You will stop thinking, and when you will stop thinking, you will actually become aware of the thoughts that you were thinking unconsciously. And when you will become aware of the thoughts that you were thinking unconsciously, you can start thinking about your clear intention once again. So what meditation can help you is to truly design what you want to think about. You will design how you want to feel, and then you will be repeating that new you over and over again. Because of that, you will be moving to where you want to be. So this is it for today, a message from your future self. Become aware what you're thinking about. Become aware how you're feeling. And when your thoughts goes into the worst case scenario, when you start thinking, oh, what if something will happen badly? Get back to the now. Start meditating. Focus on your breath. Become aware of your unconscious thoughts and then change them for your clear intention. Set clear intention about money, about health, about relationships, about anything that you would like to change in your present reality. Set clear intention. What is clear intention? Once again, when you are truly precise, when you have a clear picture in your mind how you want that certain thing would look like, how it would feel like, how you would feel like if you would already have it, and become grateful for it. Become grateful as you already have it, because gratitude is a state for receiving it. This is it, my friends, for today. Once again, I'm sending you blessings and love. Have a beautiful day. Peace and love. Namaste.